If you have forgotten a yarn over on the right side, it's very simple to add it on the wrong side when you're purling back or knitting back. Just come to the place where your yarn over is missing, and then you're going to pick this bar up in between stitches and place it up onto your left needle, and then work it as you would work a yarn over. So in this case, I'm purling, and there you have it. Here's the yarn over that I forgot on the right side, and if there's a little discrepancy in the size of it, it will block out once it's all finished. If you added an extra yarn over on the right side, it's also really easy to fix when you're coming back on the wrong side. So here I have an extra yarn over that I did not mean to add on the right side. So all I'm going to do is just drop that off of my needle and kind of try to even out this area a little bit. And then I'm just going to keep purling all the way to the end. So again, this will block out. It looks a little bit off right now because you can see that little area here. But once it's blocked out, it will disappear and you won't be able to see it.